Now that one bitch, her ass was fat. You gotta tell her. See, she looked back. She looked back. Hey, bro, that's that awkward shit, right? She look at you, you look at her. Y'all be looking at each other. Dead eye contact. Serious as hell. Yeah, I was talking to you. I need to go see the Asians for a massage. That's what I need to do. I forget what I was doing in my fucking car. I reached for some shit and my shoulder said, ah! My shoulder was all fucked up. I don't need to walk in Dillard's. Okay, Foot Locker, we can do shoes. We can do shoes. Where you gonna get your shoes from? You get your shoes from a shoe store. You get your shoes from a shoe store. So this is House of Hoops. Alright, so we got House of Hoops by Foot Locker. And see if we see anything. Nah, music playing. Sixes always go crazy. I don't care. Sixes is crazy. This is some shit I would get just cause. And I would cut the sleeves off. I would get it just, and it's on, is this on sale? Yeah, it's on sale. I would get it and cut the sleeves off. These are ones I've never had. I don't know what these are, but I would get them. I don't know what these are, but I would get them. This color, yep. Sneaker shopping is like not complex and shit, but shit, them shits is fire. I don't even know what those are called. Damn, these fucking shits is tough too. Graffiti jungle, welcome to the graffiti. This shit's tough. A double check, different. How much more can Nike be different? You know what I'm saying? They give you a double check to put the check backwards. I fuck with that though. And then honorable mention. Okay, Nike Air DT Max. Nike Air DT Max. I'm looking that up one day. Nike Air DT Max. Y'all can stop sleeping on Reebok. Reebok is doing some shit, bro. Reebok is doing some. Yeezy slides or Nike slides? These the Adidas that be at Burlington. Nike Air DT Max. Just for conversational purposes, we just going